Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? Well, the academy is ready, so you can enroll, and all the information is below this video. All the people who are just joining us for the first time, you are welcome to the Eagles family. It's a wonderful, wonderful family focused on personal development, personal responsibility. So you're welcome. Well, I was thinking, as we strive to make ourselves better, get our heart's desires, there is a tendency of concentrating on one area and one area alone. I know I was guilty of this many years ago. I would only work and only work. I was very imbalanced. And today I wanted to talk about setting goals in a balanced manner. I learned this from Life Leadership. It's a program I used to belong to, whereby they use the 5 F's. So you set goals in 5 areas of your life: faith, family, finances, fun, and did I miss one? And fitness. So you have to have goals in all those areas so that you're well balanced. Being successful, maybe with a lot of money, with bad health, it's not good. Or having reached the top and your family left you because you were never there. We don't want that either. So we are looking to be nicely balanced. I know there will be seasons where you have to concentrate and put so much effort maybe in one project, just temporarily to give it a push. That's fine, but have the awareness that you need to have a healthy balance where you've taken care of your faith, because your spirit man has to be strong enough to carry this vision, believing in the impossible and the invisible, believing that you can do it. All those are from the spirit. Then you taking care of your family. You don't want your kids to grow up without you, because maybe you're somewhere chasing a dream. So when you're putting the goals together, remember to include faith, finances, family, what else? Fitness and fun. Yes, you gotta play a little. Life is good, life is sweet and enjoyable, so include some fun in your life. That is like Mother Ego style. Well, I love you guys. Leave your comments below and any questions. Otherwise, make sure you enroll in the academy and keep learning. This is a lifestyle, you're becoming a lifelong learner. There is no end to this. There is always something new to learn, and there is always growth to make. All right, love you. Bye.